I'm back. Akala ko naka-live ako dito sa page. Pero sa personal account ko pala. But anyway, let's do it again. So again, since kakabalik ko lang mag-live dito sa Facebook, I am inviting all of you guys to subscribe on my YouTube channel kasi, as I've said kanina, dun yung makikita yung real Ellie, the unfiltered moments with my family and with my friends. And kaka-upload ko lang ng isang araw ng Taiwan vlog with my family. So, dinala ko yung mom ko and my beautiful sister in Taiwan kasi dun nag-work yung brother ko. And marami pang i-upload kasi marami pa akong mga hindi na-edit kasi ako lang kasi mismo yung nag-edit, nagre-reply sa inyong lahat, and yun na nga, ang dami ko pang gagawin. So yeah, subscribe kayo sa YouTube channel ko. Next vlog na ma-upload natin is yung El Nido vlog with my friends. That vlog was so fun and ang ganda ng staycation na pinagstayhan namin, the hotel and the resort. So you should watch it, guys. But first, subscribe muna kayo. Happy birthday sa lahat ng mga nagbe-birthday ngayon. So, again guys, nawala yung Instagram ko. Lahat ng accounts ko nawala, but processing pa naman ngayon sa pag-retrieve ko sa kanila. I hope na mabalik sila as soon as possible. So, while waiting on my Instagram account, so mag-focus muna ako dito sa Facebook Live and TikTok and my YouTube channel. So, thank you so much for everyone who supported me since day one. And sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon sa live ko. Thank you everyone. Good afternoon po. Ang dami ko pa palang mga i-edit na vlogs. I think nasa 5 contents pa yung dapat kong i-edit. Jelly Jella, hi! Pa-shout out po from Acacia Estates. Hello! Jelly Jella! Mahaba na talaga yung buhok ko. Last time hanggang dito pa siya. Kumaba na talaga siya ngayon. So, how was your day going, guys? Describe it in one word. Babasahin natin dito. How was your Tuesday going? Tuesday ba ngayon? Yeah, I think it's Tuesday. Tired! Why? What made you tired? Great from Baby B. That's nice. And hoping that you're gonna have a great day ahead. Good afternoon po. Ang cute niyo po talaga, Miss Ellie. Thank you. Parang mas kinikilig ako sabihin ng cute kaysa sa maganda.